I'm Mr. Paisley and I teach robotics, automation, and design here at DACC. We have some brand new printers we just got in at the end of the school year last year. So to break those in, I came back to school with a handful of just little Lego figures that I took from my boys and came in with my 8 senior students, and we dissected these Lego figures and measuring every individual body part with these calipers. And then we went into our CAD programming. We use a program called SolidWorks, and they had to recreate each body part individually and then collaborate together to turn it into what we call an assembly file. And then we took that assembly file and 3D printed it to make this scaled up 1 foot tall Lego figure. It was a good way to mimic the engineering design process because any project we do in here is never right the first time. That's just the nature of engineering. Students had to work through several iterations of this project. We started with just proving it inside SolidWorks with their part files and assembly files. And then after that, we scaled it up to about a 2-inch tall figure. Looks like this, right? Just to prove that all these parts fit together okay. And then once we were confident that the whole assembly worked together, then we scaled it up and they had to do the math to figure out how to make this figure come out as 1 foot tall. My favorite part of the project was watching the students collaborate together. It's one thing to make a part by yourself, it's another to make sure that that part fits in with everybody else's parts. So watching them work together to make that happen was my favorite part.
Hello, I'm Anthony Russo. I am a student at DACC for the Robotics Automation Design program. My favorite part was having to go back and fix everything and recreate it because I had the hand and there was a few times where I did something wrong and I had to recreate it at one point. Overall, there was a lot of collaboration and it is a big skill you need in the engineering field. I think it went really well. It was our first project of this year. I really do think I learned a lot about SolidWorks and how I use some of the new features to help me, and I really liked working with my peers. I think it was really fun and it really helped me kind of interact with them.
My name is Mia Lewis. My favorite part was collaborating with everybody and kind of getting back into the swing of things. I learned that you really have to have a lot of design intent with items, and you really have to communicate in order to get a good final product.
So it was an all-encompassing project. It was a great experience, good kickoff to the senior year.